Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and your profile page will open up. First, make sure your Instagram is updated to latest version available. Now, find a post in which you want to add collaboration. Once found, tap on three dots at the top and select Edit from the given options. And you can see Add Collaborator option. Simply click on this, and now you can add or invite any collaborator. Now, if you don't see this option, then simply go back and here, tap on three lines icon at the top right, and your account settings will open up. Now, scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap on Help section, and then tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem without shaking and a pop will appear. Simply tap on Include and Continue and a support section will be displayed. Here, write exactly what I am writing. Once done, tap on Send at the top right, and Instagram will add this feature soon in your profile. So that's basically how you can add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.